Stressed out because your MacBook Pro M4 won't power up? Let's fix that together. First things first, let's force restart. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Release it, wait a few seconds, then press it again. Still nothing? No worries. Next, check those power connections. Make sure your adapter and cable are snug and working. Try a different charger if you can. Now, let's disconnect all accessories. Unplug everything. Sometimes, those gadgets can mess things up. Take a moment to inspect your MacBook. Any signs of damage or liquid exposure? If so, disconnect all power sources right away. Lastly, let's give it a break. Disconnect the power adapter and let it sit for a few hours. If your MacBook Pro M4 is still stubborn, it's time to call in the pros. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. They're there to help. Thanks for watching, and